today for the Bitcoin price. And if you watched in the last few weeks my videos, of course you know I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. However, there's one thing in the charts which scares the F out of me. One single thing in the charts, one chart, which when I'm looking at it, I'm like, I want to show it to you. I want to provide you with this scenario. I want to show you what I am actually expecting for Bitcoin right now. But more importantly, even though we are having these conditions on Bitcoin with this kind of bearish outlooks, where I am going to put my long positions, what my next trades for Bitcoin are going to be right now in the immediate short term and in the mid run for Bitcoin. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. You can see here the Sheikh Zayed Road of Dubai in the background. Of course, a very kind of beautiful view here. I really like it actually. And yeah, I don't want to hold you back anymore. Let's talk about it. And I think somewhere down here you can also see Tesla right there. Wait, where is it? There's Tesla. Biggest Bitcoin holder with MicroStrategy. Let me know. Let me know if you think they're gonna buy more. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's go straight into the and talk about what I think is going to happen here to Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So you can see here the Bitcoin candles on the daily candle, the Bitcoin chart on the daily candles. And yes, we talked about this ascending triangle breakout, and wow, we broke out. Beautiful. We went down. We're about to confirm, but not broke above the previous rejection point, our last confirmation sign. And now the question is, what is going to happen? We unfortunately got this M pattern breakdown towards the downside. Well, at least one good news here is we are holding the daily support. There is no way around it. We are holding the daily support so far. This is why on the daily candles, we are right now forming a high, higher high, higher high. And I'm coming to the scary part just in a second. And a low, higher low, higher low, and like just consecutively higher lows. We have this daily support and we are holding it. That is beautiful news for Bitcoin. So as long as we are holding it, I even on the daily candles remain bullish for Bitcoin. However, and now this is the big however, we're having a few scenarios here coming into place, of course. And the first one is a potential bear flag, right? It's not a perfect bear flag because this whole flagpole is very big compared to this break to the downside, but theoretically, you could still treat it as a bear flag. And the price target, and here, be careful guys, watch this video until the very end. I don't think this is going to happen, but the price target of this is 24,400. So you can already see the technical price target being extremely bearish, but I'm saying I don't think this is going to happen. Now the question is, what is going to happen? What do I personally, let me quickly turn this around. What do I personally think is going to happen to Bitcoin? What do I personally think is the actual scenario which is going to pan out for Bitcoin? Let me talk about that. That one was just a crazy one, which probably if we break the bottom, people are going to start talking about. Now, of course, no one is talking about that. This is maybe a scenario people are going to be starting to talk about. But what is my actual scenario? Well, first of all, you can see on the weekly, we have to prevent the weekly ribbon, the weekly ribbon to flip bearish here. Hence, the short-term moving average breaking below the long-term moving average. The moment this is happening, I mean, let's just go back in time. When this happens, it does not mean any good for Bitcoin ever, right? We had it here in 2018, broke down to $3,000. The last time before it happened was, man, I mean, that was a mess. Was in 2014. It happens like basically every 4 years. It doesn't mean the best because we are 4 years after the last break in 2018, right? So it happened right here when we broke from approximately, I don't know, like $400 all the way down, one last breakdown to 150. Then 4 years later, we had the breakdown right there of 6,000, one last breakdown to $3,000. And well, right now, 4 years later, the question is this going to happen here once again with one last checkout, one last breakdown? And if so, what is the target? And here, ladies and gentlemen, let me reiterate on my worst case scenario. Going back to this specific chart here, you can see this is the most important pattern to look out for, the most important fractal to look out for, because it's very, very much actually reflecting what we were seeing in 2017 to 2020, where we had this triple bottom here and then broke towards the upside. Now the question is, are we going to see a triple bottom here? Let me quickly pull that out. A triple bottom right here and then break towards the upside. If so, the price target is once again something in the proximity of 28,000 to 32,000 US dollars. And here comes my game plan. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is what I was actually posting over on Twitter as well. This is the moments we are usually waiting for. Everyone wants the dip until it comes. Let me retreat that. Everyone wants the dip until it comes. And please, guys, we are waiting for these dips. Our long-term holding, get the mindset straight, please. And probably you have it straight because you are part of the MMCrypto family. If not, go down below, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all. Your long-term holding portfolio from these big breakdowns is not impacted. Let me actually go in. Not impacted at all. So if we break down, doesn't matter, right? I mean, it's a long-term holding portfolio. And on the trading portfolio, when we break these very crazy daily and weekly support lines, this is the moment we are usually getting ready. This is the moment you should actually get ready for your next trade for Bitcoin. And this is what I am going to do. Because the moment we are breaking it towards the downside, I am going to put a big limit buy or limit long order with a stop loss at 37. And this is it. The biggest one, I'm probably gonna open a 10 to 15 million US dollar trade somewhere from 31,000 trickling down my buy long orders to 28,000 US dollars on a low leverage. And this is exactly how I opened my legendary trades in the year 2019, 2020, which I held open for ages, accumulating millions and millions of US dollars. The reason why this channel blew up so crazily were these trades. And I'm getting ready for it right now again. Let me know what you think about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And if you want to be trading as well, you can trade short-term, long-term, long, short. Just be careful of what you are doing. Make sure that you are an experienced trader. In the pinned comment down below, you will always find my bonus links. 10,000 US dollar bonus link for free. Bybit link, 4,100 US dollars. Actually, I think for almost 4,700, 4,600 US dollars. Click the link right now if you're experienced, and then after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses completely for free. You can see here my CryptoPunks wrapping up in the back. Basically the only NFTs I did not make money from, but it's my favorite ones. I really love them. Grassroots character and first movers. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, smash up the like button. Bye-bye.